Right, so this is Nathan Colpron Laboratory, I believe it's Objective 11, secured entry. So we're going to be picking into this residential deadbolt here. Got our picks. Start with a rake pick. Get some lubricant in there. Right. Oh, start with it locked. And we got it. Nice and quick. So yeah, it was just rake picking, residential deadbolt. Right. So this is the picking laboratory, the secured entry residential ball knob. So as you can see, this one's locked. So let's try one of our rake picks. One set. And a few more there. All right. So, and we picked it the wrong direction, but got a plug spinner or flip it tool. You know it's got to go this direction in order to go. So we get this close to the shear line. And it locked back up. Okay, I'll try picking it the other direction. Seem to want to go in that direction. Pick's really easy the way we don't want it. So we'll try the flip it tool again. There. I got it past the shear line without the pins setting again. Now we've got a open residential ball knob, and we'll just set that back. All right. So now we've got picking open a small format cylinder. So this is a wafer cam lock. So right now, we've got the key here. Try picking this guy. So these usually aren't too bad to pick into. Just grab a little, just do a little S pick. Probably a smaller tension wrench than this one. So a single-sided cam, so I don't have to worry about wafers on the bottom. And just like that, these guys tend to pick pretty easy. See if I can get that locked. Oh. Either way, you picked it open. All right, and then this is secured entry. This is the other small format cylinder I have here. This is a mailbox lock for Ryopel. So this is a pin and tumbler. We'll see if we can get this. Oh yeah. These are the keys. You can see turns like that.
Both of them? Okay.
Tighten that a bit. Then I'll pick this guy.
And just new keys?
Jiggle pick, that might be a little too big for this cylinder. We'll try one of our smaller hook picks.
They're not real rates. Don't worry, guys. So what you need to do when you go there, you need to change the tailpiece. You need to put this one on there. Okay? Same thing with that one. You put a small tailpiece on. What? After you did this, look the same? No, that one's bigger. If you put this one, it's not going to work properly. You need to put this small tailpiece.
And then we got it.
It's easy. 2 screws off.
Got that picked over.
One on there, 2 screws back. Same thing with that one there.
You can see. Let me just flip that back up. And it's locked. And then we've got our that's the wrong key. Got our key. All right. So this is laboratory secured entry. This is a door bypass. So in this scenario, we'd be saying that this handle here has failed for whatever reason. When you turn it, it doesn't retract the latch. So I'm going to use a air wedge to force the door and the frame over to make enough space so that the door can open. One nice thing about this door is there's no weather stripping on there. If there was, you might have to remove that or kind of work your way around it. But we got our air wedge. Make sure there's no air in there. Kind of force it into the door. Make sure it's nice and far in there. And you start pumping it up. You can see it's starting to push the door, and then there we go. Pops open. Alright, so just doing a automotive unlock for this. So I'm going to use a wedge and long reach tool to try to hit the door unlock button. I'm doing it on the passenger side just in case anything gets messed up. It shouldn't, but that's just a precaution you can take to kind of prevent that from happening. Also, if you're doing this on the side of a road, if you're opening up the passenger side, then most likely you're not standing out in traffic. So that's a good safety thing there. So just lock our vehicle. Pry tool here. We'll use this. Make some space to get an air wedge in. Start pumping that up. We've got some space in the door now. So I'm going to be going for the unlock button. If the battery's dead, you might have to try to actually hook the handle. You can look through the other side, and I kind of marked roughly on the door where the unlock button should be. A long reach in there. Really difficult with the glare. Bend it. Make it a little easier to hit that unlock button. Tool. Really close. Might have got it. Might have to go for the handle itself. Let's see. All right. And there we go. So, wasn't able to get it with the unlock button, but managed to hook the handle and get the door to open up.